Animal feeds, especially for ruminants like cattle, goats, sheep, etc., are very scarce, particularly in the dries. The shortage of animal feeds, like fresh grass or hay in the dry season, prompt rearers to let loose their flocks in a free-range system, a practice that destroys crops. With funds from the European Union, Sierra Leone Agricultural Research Institute (SLARI) has trained animal farmers in forage or animal feed preservation. Sylvester Molukuruma, a forage and grassland breeder, said, among other things, the training is to minimize conflict between animal and crop farmers.
We identified 5 different forage species, tried to learn how to propagate some of these grasses, and also how to mitigate these dry season feeding strategies. What I mean by that is that, during the rains, we have so many forages. If you turn around, you can see so many grasses around. And then, but most of these farmers, they don't have the knowledge or the technical know-how how to conserve or preserve this feed for dry season feeding. Our main target is to actually see how we can mitigate this crop livestock farmer conflict. Because during the dries, most of these farmers leave their animals in a free range system. They go and maybe interfere into the crop farmers, their own plantations, and then they have so many challenges.
Farmers across the northern region applaud SLARI and a funding partner for rolling out a training they refer to as a novelty. According to them, the skill will not only improve the production and productivity of the animals, but also minimize the protracted conflict between them and crop farmers in their respective communities. According to SLARI, there is a gap in animal feeds in the country, and the project is to narrow it for farmers. Akiwondi Boyle Rena is a research officer at the Institute.
There is a feed gap in Sierra Leone for all our livestock. So EU BAFs, along with SLAI, the government of Sierra Leone, they saw it fit that such a program should be established. We should have a feed platform now. We should start producing feed from our local available feed resources. So this training that we just taught farmers how to preserve these feeds so that they can keep them for up to 4 to 5 months.
It is believed that if animal farmers right across Sierra Leone are trained in animal feeds preservation, there will be huge benefits in terms of production. Abba Sise, AYV News, Bombali.